from Vanambadi. I completed my graduation from B.S. Abdurrahman Crescent Institute College, Vandalur, from where I completed my degree in B.Tech Computer Science Engineering. After that, as an incubation student, I joined QSpiders Institute located in Chromepet. From there, I opted software testing course with Python as my main programming language. Here I started with my SQL course. There I learned many different how we can implement a different type of testing as well there, and I learned about Python programming with practical as well, how we can implement Python programming language in real time. I learned. After that, I learned manual testing course. Here manual testing sir supported me well as in manual testing I learned different types of testing, how company will provide different types of testing and how they will build software with quality and well. Here by in QSpider they are giving and preparing us in different domain, like to improve communication they are preparing us, and by keeping presentation classes and all they are improving our skills. Our communication skill is getting increased, as well as giving mocks. We are preparing to the interviews and as well. So I thank each and every member of QSpiders Institute for this cooperative environment coaching center. Thank you.